this video, I'll show you how to delete a scheduled post on Instagram. If this helps you, please consider subscribing and giving the video a like so others can find it.
First thing we're gonna do is go to our Instagram profile. Then we're gonna head to the hamburger menu right here at the top right. That's gonna be those three little lines that you see at the top. Once you're here, you're gonna scroll down just a little bit, and under the menu that says for professionals, we're gonna select scheduled content. Here we will find every single photo, post, or reel that we have scheduled. And in case we want to delete it, we simply have to tap on the three dots. And here we're gonna have four options. We can either delete the post and not have it go up to Instagram. We can edit the post. That means you can change the caption, you can change the song in case it's a reel, and then you can also reschedule it for a later time. The last option we're gonna have is to simply share it now, but for today, we're gonna select delete. It's gonna confirm our action, and once your post is deleted, you will see this right here that says you haven't scheduled any content yet. And this will guarantee that your post will not be uploaded to Instagram. Hope that helps.